Indoor swimming pools require special considerations when it comes to HVAC systems. Unlike typical living spaces, they have a constant source of evaporation from the water surface. This evaporation leads to high humidity levels if not addressed, which can cause discomfort for swimmers and damage to the building structure. Here's what an HVAC system for an indoor pool should accomplish. Maintain air temperature. The air temperature should be slightly warmer than the water temperature, typically 2 to 4 degrees Fahrenheit warmer, to prevent chilly feelings when exiting the pool. Control humidity. Excess moisture in the air can lead to condensation on walls, ceiling, and windows, promoting mold and mildew growth. The system needs to remove excess moisture from the air to maintain a comfortable and healthy environment. Provide adequate ventilation. Fresh air introduction is crucial to remove contaminants, odors, and chlorine byproducts. There are several types of HVAC systems specifically designed for indoor pools. Desiccant dehumidification systems. These systems use a desiccant material to absorb moisture from the air. The desiccant is then regenerated by heating it up, which releases the moisture back into the air outside the pool enclosure. Pool air handlers, PAHs. These are specialized air handling units that combine heating, cooling, dehumidification, and ventilation capabilities. PAHs often use chilled water coils to cool the air and a desiccant wheel to remove moisture. Dedicated outdoor air systems, DOAS. These systems provide fresh, preconditioned outdoor air to the pool space. DOAS can be used in conjunction with a separate heating system to maintain the desired air temperature. An important aspect of indoor pool HVAC systems is energy efficiency. Due to the constant operation required to maintain comfort and prevent moisture problems, these systems can consume significant amounts of energy. Here are some ways to improve efficiency. Heat recovery ventilators, HRVs. These systems capture heat from exhaust air and transfer it to incoming fresh air, reducing the energy needed for heating. Variable speed drives, VSDs, allowing fans and pumps to operate at variable speeds can significantly reduce energy consumption. Energy-efficient components. Choosing equipment with high efficiency ratings can substantially lower operating costs. Consulting with a qualified HVAC professional is crucial to ensure that the chosen system is properly sized, designed, and installed to meet the specific requirements of your indoor pool facility. Thanks for listening. Please check description for book on swimming pools HVAC system. Please like and share.